Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy S8 Ultra, and I'll show you how to turn on flashlight on this device. So first you should open the notification panel, and somewhere here on your notification panel you will find the torch icon. In my case that's here on this position, so just hold one or tap once with your finger or with the Samsung pen. Just click once on the torch icon, and as can you see, I'll show you, we just activated the flashlight on our Samsung Galaxy Tab. And also if you wanna just turn it off, just click here again on this icon, on the torch icon, and that's it. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.